Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox this extension socket from E-Links. This extension socket comes with a 1-year product limited warranty. This extension socket helps to reduce the number of electrical plug points in your house, as it comes with 3 sockets. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. Usually, you find yourself in a position where you need to operate many devices simultaneously. This extension socket allows the use of multiple devices. This extension socket, for example, is suitable for your desktop computer, laptop, printer, PlayStation, and TV. An extension socket with a long cord is essential, mainly when you need power in inaccessible spots in your house. This extension socket comes with a 3 meters heavy-duty power cord. This extension socket has an auto power limit. It has an overcurrent protection built in to stop abnormal use automatically. When the load on the extension socket is too high, for example, over 13 amperes, the power will cut off from it automatically. This power extension socket has a clear power indicator that lets you know your extension socket is functioning properly. You can push the on or off button on your extension socket to turn the extension socket on or off. Guys, let's now test this extension socket from E-Links. Are you ready? This 3-way universal power extension socket, with a 3 meters cable, has 3 AC outlets with a safety shutter. The electrical rating of this power extension socket is a 250 volt rated voltage, a 13 ampere rated current, and a 2500 watt maximum power. Guys, let's now charge the battery of the Sony camera using this extension socket from E-Links. This power extension socket comes in white. This power extension socket has a compact design. The body of this power extension socket is made of plastic. This extension socket is a power strip. This extension socket is not a surge protector. When using computers and other sensitive electronics, use a surge protector to avoid damage from power irregularities.